Everyone gets sick at some point in their life. Some health problems are minor and go away on their own, while others are more serious and require medical attention. Knowing the most common health problems and their symptoms can help you take better care of yourself and your family. The common cold is one of the most frequent illnesses in the world. Symptoms include a runny nose, a sore throat, sneezing, and a mild fever. A cold usually lasts between 7 and 10 days and goes away without treatment. The best thing you can do is rest, drink plenty of water, and keep warm. Headaches are also very common. They can be caused by stress, dehydration, lack of sleep, or too much time looking at a screen. Most headaches go away on their own, but if they are very frequent or very painful, it is important to see a doctor. Back pain is another common problem, especially for people who sit at a desk all day or do heavy physical work. Regular exercise and good posture can help prevent back pain. Finally, anxiety and depression are becoming increasingly common health problems. They affect millions of people around the world and can have a serious impact on daily life. If you feel very sad, worried, or stressed for a long period of time, it is important to talk to a doctor or a mental health professional.